Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 3 of 3 in this little short series of Hyper Tough Rotary tool accessories. This is a 102-piece Rotary tool accessory kit, and let's see how durable these pieces are. I don't expect a whole lot out of these, but I do expect more than the Harbor Freight brand, but not as much as the original Dremel brands. You can see it does come in this nice little carry case. So, let's check these out. I do appreciate you watching. Okay, here's the last kit I'm going to show you. This is the third one in this 3-part series. Hyper Tough 208-piece Rotary tool accessory kit. I got this at Walmart. The whole kit was $10. I don't know if they're clearing them out, but there was like 15 of them on the shelf. I think it was regular $19.99, $19.96, whatever they sell them for. This is a pretty nice little kit for $10. Couldn't turn this down. Now, if you've seen my other videos, excuse me just one second here. Sorry about that, I had to grab a knife. Now, if you saw all my other videos, I've gone over 99% of these accessories. So I'm just going to show you what's in this pack today, and of course my razor knife does not have a blade in it. Just one second, let me grab my scissors, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. It has this little zip strip right here. Let's cut this thing off. Try to cut it off. Whatever we got to do, it's got to come off. There we go. Pull this thing out of here. So we have this 208-piece kit. Let's open this up. There we go. It has, now if your Dremel is like mine, I use these multi-chucks on every one of them. Every one of my Dremels has one of these multi-chucks. But in this kit comes 4 of these collets, which I do not need because of the multi-chuck, but it comes with 4 of these collets, and what these collets do is they hold these accessories. Anyway, it comes with 4 collets. .80 grit flap wheel, which these are very stiff. Very stiff. I don't like using these at all, but it is in the kit. It has this wrench. There we go. 2 sanding drums right here. Let me use this wrench as a pointer. Let's see, 2 sanding drums, 2 different sizes, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of the larger sanding, and we have 10 of the smaller size. We have 3 screw collets and 1 of these other collets. I forgot what you call this one. It is a collet of some sort, but it has the like a screw tip on the end of it. There we go. Now what this does is hold the buffing pads such as this. Let's get one of these out of here. These are locked in here pretty good. So this will just screw into these buffing pads such as that. Pretty easily done. Put that back in this little holder. Put that back in there. It does have 1 rubber grinding pad. It has 1 bullet shaped polishing pad, 4 of these, one of these pads that are shaped like this. Well, you can see the shape of it right here. Round. And then we have this one, which goes on to one of these screw-on type mandrels. We have 4 barrels of sanding discs. Well, this is the thing. I think this is polishing compound. Can't get my little pointer up there. Correct. This is green polishing compound. And we have 2 barrels of cutoff disc, 1 barrel of sanding disc. These are reinforced sanding discs right here. You've seen these in other videos that I have. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 of these being drill bits, 3 different sizes, and these being grinding bits. We have 2 brass wire brushes, 3 nylon wire brushes, and 3 steel wire brushes. We have the brown, I forgot what you call each one of those. The brown one is one is silicon carbide and one is aluminum oxide. Silicon carbide and aluminum oxide. That's what these are. I believe the brown will be the silicon, the gray will be the aluminum. Don't quote me on that though. And then we have these flat discs, which will mount into these screw discs. Anyway, this is a pretty good set, especially for the $10 I gave for it. So I'd encourage you, if you need these, run down to your Walmart, see if they have them on sale like mine did. $10. You can't beat this set for $10. I don't think these were in the picture earlier, I'm sorry. Here are the silicon and these are the aluminum bits. So anyway, let's turn this way, get a better look at it. Okay, we have the sanding section, the polishing section, the hardware section. This is the wax or polishing compound for these. 2 barrels of cutoff disc, 1 barrel of sanding disc, grinding disc, drill bits, cutoff disc, wire brushes, aluminum oxide, and silica oxide bits. Oh, I forgot this right here. Most people do not, oh, I just broke that. Most people do not know what these are. These are dressing stones. I do have a video showing how to use these, and I encourage you to look at that. Anyway, $10. Harbor Freight. It's $10 Hyper Tough, not Harbor Freight. Walmart brand. Well worth $10. I do encourage you, if you need these, go out and grab them while they're on sale. I do appreciate watching.